for albatross, B is for blue jay, C is for cardinal, D is for dove, E is for eagle, F is for falcon, G is for goose,
D is for dove,
H is for hummingbird, I is for ibis, J is for jay, K is for kingfisher, L is for lark, M is for magpie, N is for nightingale, O is for oriole, P is for puffin, Q is for quail, R is for robin, S is for sparrow, T is for toucan, U is for upland sandpiper, V is for vulture, W is for wren, X is for xanthanera, Y is for yellow warbler, Z is for zebrafish,
R is for robin, S is for swan, T is for toucan and turkey, U is for umbrella bird, V is for Victoria, crown pigeon and vulture, W is for woodpecker, X is for xenox and exumane, Y is for yellowhammer, Z is for zebra fish.